Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring your monitor and work area. Get the VESA pattern and total width first so parts fit. Once you have measurements, cut a wood plank or pick a sturdy shelf piece to serve as the base. Secure foam pads under the plank for grip and to protect the desk surface. Make sure screws and a suitable drill bit are on hand. Starting with an accurate base prevents wobble later and speeds the next steps. You now build the riser. Cut 2 or 3 vertical supports to the height you measured, spacing them evenly under the plank. Pre-drill holes to avoid wood splitting, then apply wood glue and drive screws through both the base and supports. This combination resists shear and wobble. Once assembled, add a cross brace or metal L brackets under the plank to stop lateral twist. Make sure everything sits level as you tighten. You finish by mounting the VESA plate to the monitor and aligning it with the riser mounting points. Have a partner steady the screen while you secure screws. Once mounted, test stability by pressing each corner and checking the level. Make sure cable routing doesn't pull the monitor off-center. If you find wobble, add rubber pads, tighten brackets, or increase the base width for more torque resistance. One key troubleshooting tip: if tilt slips under weight, replace screws with longer grade screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.